drifting away, but I know you're not the type to stay. Went out with your friends, disappear after 10. God knows when I'll see you again. Try to find another reason, something just to keep me breathing. I'm holding on to a different kind of love, to what we used to be back then. I'm holding on to a different kind of love. I'm holding on, alone without your love. Playing around, I don't hear a sound. Are you just waiting for me to drown? Fine, I'll go first. Where were you at my worst?
I'm all the sins that you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house. Then you kissed me in the backseat of a taxi ride, and we said things that were cheesy, but we meant them. There were feelings, and now you deny it. You're in love with the idea of me, but you're not in my reality. Find it hard to even picture it, 'cause my reality ain't your reality, no. The sins that you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run.